Good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I just dey take my bath finish now. Yeah, so right now, if today na the first video you see my face, welcome. My name is Stella, mom of three. Me and my family, we dey live for Torino, Italy. Welcome back to another video. Leave there. Let me talk. Welcome. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Hi. Say you want say hi. If you not let Ryan say hi, now fight. Okay. They have heard you now. Let me talk. Can I talk now? Okay, let me talk. Let me talk, guys. Let me talk, Ryan. Let me talk. Say hi. Yes, say hi. 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 They have heard you. Say hi. They have heard. I put some clothes for washing machine when I dey wash, so I want quick just go Sunday now. Yeah, school dey resume in 2 days time, so I want quick go Sunday. Then let me hold the camera sef. So I want quick go Sunday clothes wey dey inside washing machine now. So if I sew am finish, I'll go wash Greta hair. Wash her hair so that tomorrow I'll make her hair because school dey resume. Next tomorrow, so I'll make her hair tomorrow, then I'll wash them today. So after that, I want to cook delicious, nutritious corn moi moi. Yeah, so I'll make corn moi moi later. Okay, so I'll take una along. I'll take make her. See guys, this food is so tasty. My husband don dey request for this food for like so yeah, so finally I'll make am today, I'll make am later. So yeah, I just say my just take una along wetin go happen today. Yes, okay, keep on watching, guys. Do not go anywhere. Keep on watching. If you never subscribe, wetin see dey wait for na pidgin English wetin dey talk am for here. Trust me, you will enjoy am. Okay, make you don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So yeah, so right now, guys, may I quick go sun the cloth in the washing machine, make I sun now. So thank God today sun just dey today. For the past like 3 days ago, like the rain just dey fall, like the rain not be here, but thank God yesterday and today sun dey. So yeah, so may I quick go sun the cloth now. So yeah, keep on washing, guys, keep on washing. Do not go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. So yummy, guys. It's so yummy. Join me. So they don't eat. So now it's time for mommy to eat. These children, even when they don't eat finish, they was nice to still join me. No, she don't eat. Guys, taste. If you now taste this meal, very sweet, so yummy, so sweet. No. I like to eat it from inside the cup. It's so sweet. Eat now. Yes. Ah, God, this food is so sweet, guys. So sweet. Hey. Delicious, nutritious, anything you want to call am. Yummy. Meat, delicious, right? Nutritious. Oh my God. Fish.
What do you call it?
My son don't call you the fish. Don't call you fish. But two people have eaten before now. Oh my God, these children. No. Yeah, drink. No, don't do that. Drink it. Okay, if you don't want, I will take it away. Guys, I ate 1.5 now. I ate one, then the half cup, that pink milk cup, half with this one. Oh my God, I'm so full. It's so yummy. Hi God, this food enter my brain. This food enter my brain. It enter my brain. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Okay, so I want to end this video right now. Okay, so I want to go sleep, I want to go relax. This food needs to enter my body, enter my blood. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.